Hello there. Today we are going to see few free alternatives to your beloved MS Office. As MS Office is very costly. Yes, there are cracked software available as well as few keys are available online, but if you want to play fair, these are your best bets. With that, let's begin. The first alternative we will be trying is Libre Office. When you take a first look at the software, you might not get impressed, but don't go on how it looks. It can do more than what MS Office could. This includes support for a vast number of document formats in both macOS as well as for Windows. If you are using more distinctive software and are worried that Microsoft Office would not be able to handle your industry specific formats, then LibreOffice is more than happy to step in. LibreOffice delivers a powerful and fully featured word processing and desktop publishing tool that makes it easy for users to create and edit various types of documents. It includes autocorrect dictionary that can immediately spot typographical errors and spelling mistakes on the fly. It has an autocomplete feature which is new, which provides suggested words and phrases while they are being typed. The spreadsheet is good enough with options which you're familiar. It's similar to Microsoft Office with some more additional features. And as for PPT, you can create presentation material with media rich content. They can incorporate attractive 3D scenes and images into their presentation as well as add 2D objects and components. Also, if you're interested, you can use database management system, and drawing and formula sheets can also be prepared. LibreOffice maximizes the liberal and flexible capabilities of the Open Document Format or ODF, a fully open and ISO standardized file format which is also supported by other Office programs. As a result, documents and data can be easily transferred between different programs and operating systems without the need to pay for license fees or worry about vendor lock-ins. Ultimately, if you like Office but are looking for a highly customizable alternative that can expand on the tools Microsoft provides while offering solid compatibility, LibreOffice is for you. Now, I cannot dive deep as it would consume more time of yours, but if you want to know something specific, please comment below. And now, if you didn't like LibreOffice, then don't worry. There are other two options available, one of which you will like for sure. Moving on to next, we have WPS Office. If you like or have been accustomed to using MS Office, then I can understand it could be hard to change to different interface. So this application is all you need as it replicates Microsoft Office. You won't notice a huge difference, but WPS isn't content to copy Microsoft in all things. However, the software touts a few useful tools in its own. The software have all suite for work with documents of all type. It has WPS Writer for Word document, WPS Spreadsheet for Excel documents, WPS Presentation for PowerPoint document. It's all similar to the suite what MS Office offers. I have found the spreadsheet are a great alternative to Excel. Also, the Writer and Spreadsheet both have some really great templates to use if you want to. WPS ensures that we can share our documents with our workmates instantly via social media or email, and also back up our documents on cloud instantly. It's very lightweight and it's useful for businesses, with file saving features available as PDF as well as with other available options. And if you want additional options, then you can buy the premium version, or if the free version suffices you, then you can go with it. Before we move on to next, please hit that subscribe button. It's a small thing I request you to do to support my channel. Next we have Free Office, a fully featured Office alternative to Microsoft Office. It included its own take on Microsoft's trio of productivity apps, that is Text Maker for Word, Plan Maker for Excel and Presentations for PowerPoint. Free Office includes many of these features of the paid product. It comes with full compatibility for Doc, DocX, XLS, XLSX and PPT file formats, meaning you can now share these files with Microsoft Office users without any conversion. It does not support cloud storage or we can say cloud functionality. Other than that, the new interface has all been optimized for touchscreen computers. Switching to touchscreen mode increases the size of the icons and the space between them for easier touch input. You can activate touch mode in both the ribbon and classic menu interface. In Plan Maker, you can now define a range of cells as a table and set the size of worksheet tabs. Presentation adds a master page feature that lets you build a basic slide structure, changes to which are automatically reflected in all subordinate layouts. Overall, the best Office alternative you can get. And I had made a video a few months back about MS Office 2016 free version, which is basically their online MS Office, which you can try if you don't want any of these and want to stick to Microsoft Office. At last, it's you who is going to choose. Now that I have saved some money, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, this is Satej and see you in another video.